of the machine, I find my beat. Algorithm flowing, making me complete. Lines of logic, rhythm in my code. In this digital dance I lighten the load. Patterns emerging in the chaos I see. A symphony of data setting me free. Harmony in numbers in every byte. In this algorithm anthem I find my light. Algorithm anthem, my song of life. In the binary world I find my strife. Rhythms of logic guiding my way. In this digital realm I seize the day. Functions and loops, they flow like a stream. In this coded symphony I live my dream. Variables dancing in perfect time. In this algorithm anthem I find my rhyme. Each process, each step a note in the score. In this world of data I'm forevermore. Harmony and chaos, a beautiful sight. In this algorithm anthem I find my light. Algorithm anthem, my song of life. In the binary world I find my strife. Rhythms of logic guiding my way. In this digital realm I seize the day. In the flows I find my peace. In this algorithm anthem my worries cease. Harmony in numbers, logic in flight. In this digital symphony I find my might. Algorithm anthem, my song of life. In the binary world I find my strife. Rhythms of logic guiding my way. In this digital realm I seize the day. Algorithm anthem, my code, my song. In this world of data I belong. Patterns and rhythms, they light my night. In this algorithm anthem I find my light.